Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. But today we're going to be talking about the Ipega dual controller, the dual thorn wireless controller. It's good for gaming. You can use it on your iOS smartphone, Android smartphone, a tablet, a smart TV, a P3, an NS, or a Windows PC. Now, it's connect and play, and we're gonna get into how you pair this thing, because I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to pair it with your Android device. We're gonna do the unboxing, everything like that, but you know, this thing will have three different modes. Extended mode, where you could put it on a tablet or an, you know what I'm saying, an iPad, and it's compatible with the Apple software as well as the Android software. Single mode, where you can charge the phone and play the game at the same time, and you can also have a normal gamepad mode where you have both controllers on here. So what's pretty cool is because they have this button on the back which allows you to slip out the controlling and put the single side on there. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the box contents and everything of that nature. But right off the gun, what I noticed was that it was super easy to pair. All you had to do was connect it to the application that they tell you in the Bluetooth. They tell you this in the user manual. But one of the things you're gonna need to download is this app called Shooting Plus V3. And this app will allow you to, you know, map all the buttons really easily. It's really simple. But there's four different gaming methods on here. So it depends on what device you're using. Now, if you wanted to insert a USB and enter the wired mode, hold the right button down with the home button. For the standard Android mode, you would hold the home button and up at the same time. For the V3 mode, which lets you map all the buttons, you would hold right and the home button, which we're gonna get into right now. Let me just go back to this page. It's $24.60, which is a really good price. So it has the detachable and replaceable joypad, the store that you would go to. And you can see that all the details right here, super long extended mode. I'm gonna see if it fits on the 10.4 inch as well as the cell phone right here. So let's go ahead and cut this this top part open. All right, there we go. So I cut that out. Now we can slide this portion out very easily. All right, so this is what we're actually greeted with. All right, so this is Shooting Plus V3. I'm gonna go ahead and install that. That looks like a mapping application. That's how you would map all the buttons. What comes inside of this box, we get this huge joy controller, gamepad, and you can see, wow, yeah, this will fit an iPad, definitely. Now, what's cool is with this piece, you can actually charge your device through this little thing. So we get your charging mechanism, which is Type-C here. So when you're in the application, it's gonna look like this for the Shooting Plus V3 when you're in direct pairing mode. So in order to get to direct pairing mode, what you have to do is long hold the home button and the right button at the same time. So you long hold those two buttons, and then you see it hit the search button right there. Long hold it again. So what you want to do is long hold it on PUBG, and what you want to do is download the home and right, basically the layout that they made. So once you download that, you want to make sure you choose it, make sure you download home and right, and now just go long hold it again and hit download game, and it's going to take you to the game. And then just hit play. So let's go ahead and see if this will. Let's try the trigger. And the zoom works as well. Duck works, jump works. and laying down works as well. So we got all the buttons. So I got 1 kill. Oh, he had the shotty. Almost had him right there. Ah, what did I do? I was pressing the wrong button. I was trying to press jump. And oh damn. Actually, it's playing pretty decent right now. It's playing pretty good. I could get used to this a little bit if I mess around with it enough. I could definitely get used to this. Got him. Okay, that was good. That was good. There's somebody coming around. Let me meet him in the front. Oh, he caught me. He caught me right there. So yeah, this is playing good. I'm gonna play another game real quick. I think we have Fortnite on here as well. We also have Call of Duty Mobile as well. And you can see it's very responsive. So that's crazy right there. So download the home and right buttons, and now what you would have to do is long hold the game and then go into edit preset and then press OK. Is hit the trigger button right here at the top. Right, let me see, this one. And I can make that the shoot button or the action button. And then X, I'll make this the window thing. And then, all right, cool. So let's see how this, I'm gonna hit save right now. And so now that's the hit button. This is the map still. So I wanna change that. So what I would do is hit Y. And then I can make Y turn into this button with this. Playing pretty smoothly so far. All you have to do is hit this button right there. And then you can choose the trigger, which is right here, and slide it right across into the front of there, and then hit save. That's jump.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Unpair. Disconnect. And then now you can go into this device right here and stop and scan and then hit pair. So now it's going to enter the standard pairing mode when you hit the home and up button at the same time. So now once we're into that, we can go into a game that supports standard gaming like Gear Club. Let's hit that one. Automatically, certain games like 2K, Gear Club, there's other games that have that as well. So you could just, I could change the view right here. This is crazy. This is absolutely sick. I had first place, but I had that short crash. Yeah, that's absolutely sick. So this is pretty crazy. Game's Wolf right now. So far everything looks really nice on here. The graphics look really good. Let's try to get some food real quick. Everything's moving really nicely on here. Let's see. There's some food over here. So this is like really good gameplay. I like this controller a lot. And you could play PUBG. You could play racing games, things of that nature. And pull down. So you have to press this and pull down, and that comes out. You have direct mode. Some MTK phones cannot be used and are not compatible with. Let's go back. So it gives you a list of games that you can play from this thing here, and it has PUBG there. It also does have a few other games, Fortnite. See stuff right here. You could either use the controller in standard mode, or you could use it you know, with the V3 mode, or if you wanted to use iOS, you could use it with the home and left option. And then if you wanted to use it with something else, with a wired connection, it would be down and home. But this thing is pretty cool after using it for a few different games. But let me know what you guys think about the Ipega 9167. I definitely like how you could take this one out and switch it with different ones as well. It comes with a bunch of other accessories in the box to play around with. So you have that secondary Joy-Con, so you could charge it. When it's charging, you can hook this one up, and you can hook up the audio adapter, which would actually go right here on the side, this way. And you put it in your headphone jack while it's in your phone like that. And then this guy would go, you would just slide this guy in like this. But the opposite way. Here it is. And then you could actually charge your phone from this direction. So just a ton of features. If you want to turn it off, you hold the home button and it turns off like that. So I think this is a well-rounded gamepad joystick for price, but let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.